Is your job on AI's hit list? Well, AI is coming for your job, so let's find out. A new report says AI could delete 92 million jobs by 2030. While some jobs will be fine, others are about to be completely automated. So today we are counting down the 5 jobs that AI is trying to destroy right now. The question is your job on the list? This isn't some crazy movie plot. This is happening right now, and it is moving so fast. Goldman Sachs dropped a bombshell report saying AI could wipe out 300 million full-time jobs. That number is insane. In the first few months of 2025 alone, almost 80,000 people lost their jobs in tech specifically because of AI. The entire economy is being rewired from the ground up. It's like the world is a giant video game and AI just changed all the rules. Even the tech billionaires building AI are freaking out. Reid Hoffman, the guy who co-founded LinkedIn, said it plainly. AI is going to reshape every industry and every job. This isn't happening in the future. This is happening today, and you need to be ready. Because here's the secret. The real danger isn't being replaced by AI. It's being replaced by someone who uses AI better than you. It's like when calculators were invented. The accountants who refused to use them got left behind by the ones who did. It's that simple. So let's get to it. We are counting down the top 5 jobs that AI is targeting with terrifying accuracy. And you have to stick around to the end, because after we reveal the #1 most threatened job, we're going to give you the single most important secret to saving your career. Number 5, customer service representatives. Coming in at number 5, the customer service representative. For years, this was a super stable job for millions, but honestly, AI is now insanely good at talking to people. We've all used those terrible old chatbots, but this new technology is on another level. You want a crazy real-life example? The company Klarna replaced 700 of their customer service agents with one AI. In the first month, this single AI did the work of 700 people. It handled 2.3 million chats, solved problems in 2 minutes instead of 11, and was more accurate than the humans. Klarna says they still have humans for the really hard problems, but you can see where this is going. The AI is a new frontline, handling almost everything. Companies see these numbers and are racing to do the exact same thing. If your job is to answer the same questions over and over, you need to be planning your next move, literally today. Number 4, bookkeepers and accountants. Next up, we have bookkeepers and entry-level accountants. This job has always been about following strict rules perfectly, but those are the exact reasons AI is gonna crush this job. The main work is like following a recipe, and an AI is the perfect robot chef that never messes up 24/7. AI accounting software is everywhere now. Things like QuickBooks AI and Vic. AI can do everything automatically. They scan receipts, sort expenses, make payments, and even find fraud by spotting patterns a human would never see. Some of these AI tools are claiming 99% accuracy. That's almost perfect. They're basically making human error a thing of the past. For thousands of businesses, the AI isn't just helping the bookkeeper, it is the bookkeeper. You still need a human for big picture financial strategy, but the AI does all the boring work. It's like a calculator on steroids that never makes a typo. If you spend all day in spreadsheets, you are directly in the path of this tsunami. Let me know in the comments, which job on this list so far is the most shocking to you? Number 3, retail cashiers. Our number 3 spot goes to a job we are literally watching disappear before our eyes. The retail cashier. This isn't a surprise to anyone who has used a self-checkout machine, but that is old news. The real future is Amazon's just walk out stores. You walk in, grab what you want, and just leave. Cameras and AI track everything and charge your account automatically. It feels like magic, but it completely erases the cashier. It's like going from paying tolls with coins to just driving through an easy pass lane. Once you do it, the old way seems completely pointless. Retail stores want to cut costs, and cashiers are a huge cost. If this tech goes mainstream, over 2.3 million cashier jobs in the US could just vanish. We are shifting from a world where a person scans your items to a world where an AI just watches you take them. The job of a cashier is basically becoming obsolete. Number 2, telemarketers. At number 2 is a job most of us will be happy to see go, but it employs tons of people. The telemarketer. This job was practically built to be taken over by AI. It's repetitive, it follows a script, and it has one simple goal. AI isn't coming for this job, it's already taken it. AI voices now sound so real, it's hard to tell you're not talking to a person. If you're a business, the choice is easy. Why pay a huge team to read from a script when one AI can do it for way cheaper? It's like having a sales team that doesn't need to sleep, never has a bad day, and can make thousands of calls at the exact same time. And it's not just the calls. AI chatbots find customers online, and AI systems take notes and schedule follow-ups. Every single boring part of the job is now automated. The only thing left for humans are the really complex sales calls that need a creative solution. And those jobs are for senior salespeople, not telemarketers. Number 1, data entry clerks. And the number 1 job that AI is going to completely wipe out is the data entry clerk. This is the definition of a job that is doomed. This entire job is just taking stuff from one screen and typing it into another. That's it. It's slow, it's boring, and humans make mistakes. AI eats this for breakfast. AI can read and understand documents instantly. It's like a superhero that can speed read 1 million pages of boring paperwork and perfectly organize all the information in less than a second. Companies are saving millions. One report showed that PwC saved over $1 million a year just by automating this one task. There are entire companies being built for the single purpose of destroying manual data entry. It's not even a competition. Some jobs are like a musician playing a song with feeling. Data entry is just to play a piano. It's only about hitting the right notes. A machine will always do that better, faster, and cheaper. It's not a question of if this job will be automated, but when. Okay, I know that was an insane list. If your job wasn't there, you might be freaking out right now. That's understandable. But I did not make this video to scare you. I made it to prepare you. Because being replaced by AI is a choice. Here is the secret. That same report that said 92 million jobs would be lost. It also said 170 million new ones will be created. That's a huge net gain. The future isn't humans fighting machines. It's humans working with machines. Think of AI as a crazy new power tool. A carpenter with a nail gun is faster and can build bigger things than a guy with just a hammer. He doesn't get replaced, he gets upgraded. This is your chance to level up. The people who are going to win this decade are the ones who use AI as a tool to make themselves smarter and faster. The AI revolution is here, and it's moving at an unbelievable speed. The jobs we talked about today are just the beginning. The very idea of work is changing, but this chaos doesn't have to be a crisis for you. It can be your biggest opportunity. This change is like the ocean tide pulling back, revealing a whole new world of treasure. You can either stand there and worry, or you can be the one who runs out and grabs it. So start learning AI tools now. Be the person in your office who understands this stuff, not the one who's scared of it. If you want to learn exactly how to survive and win in this new AI world, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we're revealing the safest jobs of the future and the skills you need to get them. So be sure to look out for that one.